Welcome to NeuralTech Analytics. In today's session, we'll quickly learn about slicers and filters in Power BI. What are slicers and filters? They help you focus on specific data, like filtering by product, region, or year, without changing the whole report. Great for making dashboards interactive. What is a slicer? A slicer is a visual tool that lets users pick values, like region or year, to filter the data on the report. How to add a slicer? Open Power BI desktop. Load your data. Click the slicer icon from the Visualizations pane. Drag it onto the canvas. Drag a field like region or year into the slicer. That's it. The slicer is now interactive, and users can click to filter the report. What is a filter? Filters control what data is shown, but they're not visuals. You set them in the Filters pane. How to use a filter? Click on a visual. Go to the Filters pane. Drag a field, like year or region, into the filter area. Choose the values you want to show. Use filters when you want to control data behind the scenes. At NeuralTech, we deliver industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job offers. Visit our website to learn more.